members of Veterans for Peace, an ex-services organisation of men and women who have served this country in every conflict since the Second World War. We exist in the hope of convincing you that war is not the solution to the problems of the 21st century. We have come here today to hand back things given to us as soldiers that we no longer require or want.
This is my oath of allegiance. It's something I had to recite in order to get the job as a soldier. At 15 years old, I had little understanding of its true meaning. Now I fully understand the words. They have no meaning at all.
This is my oath of allegiance. This was a contract between the monarchy, the British government and a 15-year-old child. I'm no longer loyal to the government or the monarchy.
This is my oath of allegiance. I made this oath when I was 19 years old. It required me to obey orders without question. I am no longer bound by this contract.
This is my army hat. It defined me as a soldier and a cog in the military machine. I reject militarism.
This is my army hat. This was given to me as a 16-year-old boy. I reject militarism. I reject war. And it means nothing to me.
I used to wear this hat as a soldier. It used to have great significance to me. I no longer want to keep hold of this symbol of militarism.
These are the medals given to me for the sick dichotomy of keeping the peace and waging war. They are trinkets, pseudo-payments, but really all they represent, all these represent is the self-interest of those in there who hold power.
These are my medals. These were given to me as a reward for invading other people's countries and murdering their civilians. I'm now handing them back.
I was given these medals for service on operations with the British Army. This particular medal here was given to me for my part in the occupation of Iraq. Whilst I was over there, I attacked civilians in their homes and took away their men to be tortured in prison. I no longer want this despicable thing.
And this is one more they gave me. I never did know what this one was for.